Yeah. I don't eat cold food.
No, it's good though.
No, I don't like cold food. I can't eat that. All my food gotta be hot. That's why I don't eat this shit.
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually heading to an event in Dallas. I already got dressed and everything. I'm in the car and I'm headed there right now. Well, actually I'm not headed there right now. I'm actually dropping off my baby boy to his grandmother's house. So, but I forgot my freaking wallet. So therefore I need to run back to my house, which is not that far from my mom. So yeah, I gotta do that so I can make it to this event on time. Well, I'm already late, so I mean, you know, fashionably late at this point, so yeah. But it's getting dark out here. I wish I didn't forget my wallet. Oh my god. Like, how could I be so wrong? Like, how? Oh no. But yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me for today, and we shall have a good time. Period.
Make sure you just spreading good energy. You never know what somebody is going through. You can change the course of their life, their day, their week. You won't know until you do it. But don't let that be the reason you do it. There's people like him who are out there helping people every day. Don't forget that's part of the reason we're here. Now, let's move forward and celebrate.
Currently at a bar right now. Get some drinks.
Oh, you can have that. I need to send her not the light.
Or you guys can go good.
Yeah, I mean, they got a big one back there. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Did y'all order food?
Drink shit on the bar. It's really hard to say.
I got some spring rolls. Oh my god, margarita. We're at dinner with the vibes. I got me a Long Island. Y'all know I got me a drink.
Lemonade.
Don't play with me.
I got you on the tip.
I got some spring rolls though, but it don't got chicken, so we gonna see if I like it, cause I don't know.
And I got me some sushi.
We on separate tickets too.
That's another thing. No, we was on your ticket, remember?
Stop playing.
Stop trying to play us. I ordered a $4 meal.
What you say?
I ordered a $4 meal.
Period. Say the point.
Period.
It's a lot. We up in here eating. We in here eating. Hey, hold on.
What you doing?
Because he's working real hard right now.
You know, I ain't a hooper, but they had it. I tried Louisiana. Louisiana?
What's that black stuff?
It's seaweed.
Can I get some eel sauce, please?
So y'all, I ordered me some Louisiana rolls. And I'll share, because your girl's from Louisiana. And yeah, we finna see what this tastes like.
Eel sauce? Yeah. Oh, you can just flip it and change the camera?
Yeah! Girl, this is my
one of them. What is that?
Yes, sir.
I don't need to catch everything I need to catch. Y'all got seasoning on it?
That's that Creole.
That Creole, baby.
Oh my god, baby.
You already know here, right?
I hope my spring rolls is good. What you get? Fried rice. Fried rice. With some chicken in it? Yeah.
Let's get your reaction.
I don't like that. What is that green stuff?
It's seaweed. It's good.
You can eat that?
Everything is edible.
I'm not finna play with you. What does that taste like? I don't want to eat that, guy. I don't know. What's in it? You have to taste it. What is in it? What's in the inside?
It's rice. I think it's like, it's either crab or shrimp.
It's
something like
cooked.
that. Yes, it's cooked. That's all I eat is cooked.
And I gotta eat the black. Can you give me a half? I'll take a half.
Here, just take a bite. Take a bite. Here, you can grab it.
I don't know how to eat that.
Here, your bitch.
Trying to make me a real bougie bitch.
There you go.
I don't even know how to work this. What I gotta do? I don't even know how to eat
Just pick it up, Shay. Just pick it up.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this for the first time. It's cold. I don't eat cold food.
No, it's good though.
No, I don't like cold food. I can't eat that. All my food gotta be hot. That's why I don't eat this shit.
I'm not gonna play with you.
Y'all eat this? I can't wait, y'all.
Good as fuck.
That is not even cold. How y'all know that's cooked?
I can't even pick this shit up.
I wanna see it.
Sweat.
It's cold. I don't eat cold food. All my food has to be hot. I like my food hot. So that's just not gonna work.
gonna try it. Try it.
We'll get in the vlog.
You know, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? We trying it. What we trying right now? What's that?
It's a sushi.
Sushi. What's the vlog name? What's it? I mean, what's about?
On YouTube, it's LIFEOFZELLE. You know, you can subscribe. So everybody subscribe. Period.
Do it then. I see you. Work hard.
Period.
What's that red stuff?
It's ginger.
Now that.
It's too strong.
What is that?
That is hard as fuck.
That's what ginger is? Yeah. Wow, I thought ginger was like a powder.
What?
What?
I thought ginger was like a powder, like
Ginger is a
like ginger ale, like they just throw it in there.
No.
They just throw a little powder in there.
Like a vegetable. Yeah, so
That looks exciting.
it looks like a root.
But ginger helps with a lot.
Girl.
I want to touch it.
Pour it up in the cup.
This girl.
Ginger in your life.
Go ahead and take a bite.
Who the fuck would eat that?
Go ahead and eat it.
Ew. It
It's
smells
good.
like ginger.
It's
That probably
good
make
for
my
you.
head and
It's
stomach
good for you,
hurt.
though.
This smells like it.
That shit was undefeated.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
Okay, I just want my egg. Ooh, damn.
This shit is delicious. This is the
Here,
Creole.
on the vlog, eat a ginger. Eat a ginger for the vlog.
No, for real.
Eat
Eat
a
one.
ginger
Eat
for
one.
ginger
No,
salad.
that shit is disgusting. Eat that green shit first.
Ew, I don't want
and
to
I'll
eat
the
that.
ginger.
No, I don't like cold.
Wait.
I don't eat that.
That shit.
I like my food.
It's not even bad.
It's cold.
It's not bad.
I want cheers. Cheers to whatever we want to do in life. Look at him. Can you give us her woman shot? It's for the women, okay?
That lemon juice.
Okay, bitch.
I know the lemon juice. This shit is like
Okay,
lemon
bitch.
juice. I can't drink it like this.
I got hair in my mouth. Did you take it?
Juicy. I can't take juices like a shot. I don't know why.
Bitch, I be taking forever on my shit.
That's a green tea. I'ma sip my shit. Yeah, it's not even strong. It's juice. He looks like he been on TV. I seen him. This white man been on TV, y'all.
Swear.
Right in front of us. Seen
Yeah?
him on the movie.
With that old
So I was thinking Harry Potter or something.
No.
Lord of the Rings.
No.
Show the camera, cause he has. He on a. He been on.
Incognito right here.
Wait. No.
We can't go his cover.
I hope they don't notice.
But yeah, I know because we can't tell the world. But he been on the movie.
Wait, tell him what you finna do, Shay. Tell him what you finna
I'm
do.
gonna go ask this man if he's been on TV because I swear I've seen him before.
Oh my god. Yo, this chick is crazy. But no, this nigga really do feel like
He
look
do,
like
though.
he been on a movie though, for real though. He's in the
Have you tried?
finna get her ass up. This girl. Let's see. There she go, there she go, there she go. He looked like he been on a movie before.
You better get that purse. You better get that purse. You better get that purse.
He was on TV. Wait, he was on the news. He was on the news. He was on the TV. You know him. Yes, his name is Mike.
I used to live next door to the most famous.
But yeah, y'all was right. I knew I'd star when I see one.
Well, shit. I'm right here.
I'm so good right here. This shit is funny as hell.
That shit.
But now he's a professor. He's a professor.
What movie was he on?
He was on. He was on. But he do got a twin. Somebody that look like him.
Let's stop talking. Stop. It's about the energy. No, it's fine. Girl.
His name is Mike. I knew a star when I
Period. Period. Sis. Her star radar was on.
But no, this Yak the Mac.
Yak the
The
man.
M-A-K.
We finna be at Sidebar tonight.
Period.
Is that camera gonna be on at Sidebar?
I don't know if the battery's still on. Shit. We gotta save the juice.
Looking at me for, she been looking at me, whoa. You mean you ain't getting no bread?
A little bit, a little bit, a little bit. I can get fucked up. We ain't doing much on the habit. That's right.
No, I'm really just
We have officially left the club.
We're done.
We're done for the night, bitch.
The Zell and Shay, we're over.
The Zell and Shay Club. TV show,
We done been
bitch.
to the whole club and everything. The did shit I didn't think I was gonna do tonight, but I guess I'm out.
I know, I gotta go to work in the morning. What the fuck am I doing?
I work.
Shit. It was lit though. It was. Ooh.
Where's my nigga?
Oh,
Don't
wow.
have one. Forgot to tell y'all.
Wow.
You can hit me up at.
Okay, guys. So I literally just got home. I currently need to take my makeup off. Ooh. I currently need to take my makeup off with some makeup wipes. So I'm gonna take this makeup off. My shit is smearing. Oh my god. I have to work in the morning. How annoying. I wish I was like YouTubing full time, because then like I could really just like be at home chilling, you know, and it's like work and I want to work, you know what I'm saying? But you know, eventually we will be there pretty soon. But I need to wipe my face off. Y'all finna see a whole transformation. Hold on. Oh my god, it's already a transformation. Look at my face. Oh my god, I can't even hold this thing right. Take the rest of this makeup off. Okay, yeah, so I just took all my makeup off. It's like a little bit left. Like I just need to get my eyelashes really good. But tonight was a success. I'm so happy I got my booty up and out the house, because I really wasn't gonna go anywhere, but I decided to get out anyway. So I'm really happy I did, just for the simple fact that I had fun. And yeah, but if you guys like videos like this, make sure you give my video a big old fat thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Period poo. And also make sure you hit that post notification so you know when I post videos. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I will be going out this weekend as well, so it should be pretty lit. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
No, I'm really just